How to view a private Instagram account. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to view a private Instagram account. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram, and from in there, if you click on these three lines up here and you click on settings and privacy, when you scroll down, you can actually see who can view your contents right there. So let's choose those who can view your contents. So you can see this account privacy and you click on that. As you can see, I'm on the public. So if I want to make my private account, just need to click on this in order to toggle this on, and this will switch myself to a private account. So if the person that you want to follow has tried to do these steps, so if that means that they're a private account, then what you can do is to just try to follow them. So first and foremost, don't try to search in their browser this private Instagram viewer, because all of the links that you can see right here are mostly fraud. So sometimes they will ask for your login information and then they will hack your account, and if they're not, then that just means that Instagram will sometimes ban you because you use a third-party software application. So in another case, these links will actually prompt you to answer some surveys wherein they will get money from you, but you won't have anything that they promised to. So don't try any of these links. So what you can do is to just head over to Instagram, then search for the person that you want to follow. So for me, that person is this person, Sam. So what I can do is to just click on this blue button right here, which is a follow, and just wait for them to accept my follow request. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to build a private Instagram account. If you have questions or comments, kindly put me in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.